Hey friends, did you know there are kids' YouTube channels out there making over $185,000 every month just by uploading simple animated educational videos? And the craziest part, they're doing it without expensive software, animation skills, or fancy studios. Instead, they're using Canva, a free and easy to use tool to create fun, engaging, and educational content. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to come up with winning video ideas, how to write engaging scripts in minutes, even if you're not a writer, how to generate AI voiceovers for free, how to design fun animated characters in Canva, and how to edit and publish professional looking videos that kids and parents will love. Make sure to stick around until the end because I'll also share a bonus tip on how to rank your videos higher on YouTube and make them more profitable. Let's dive right in. The first step to making a successful kids' YouTube channel is choosing the right content. You don't want to waste time creating videos that no one watches. Instead, let's find proven video ideas that already perform well. Here's a simple method to find them. First, check out successful channels. Go to YouTube, search for kids' educational content, click on the videos tab, and sort them by most popular. This instantly shows you the videos that have gotten millions of views. Next, start a content list. Copy the titles of the top performing videos and look for patterns. Are they focused on ABCs, numbers, animals, colors, or bedtime stories? Add these ideas to a Google Sheet so you can organize your research. For example, if you notice that Learn ABCs with Talking Fruits is getting millions of views, you can create your own unique spin, something like Talking Animals Teach ABCs in a Fun Way. Most viral kids videos follow a simple but effective structure: a catchy introduction, interactive storytelling, and an educational twist. Now that we have a solid idea, let's move on to writing the script. Writing a script might sound difficult, but here's a quick and easy trick. Use ChatGPT to do most of the work for you. Just open ChatGPT. You can use the free version and type in a simple prompt like this. Write a fun and engaging kids story where talking fruits introduce themselves and share fun facts about their benefits. Keep the tone playful and easy to understand. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate something like this. Hey there, I'm Annie the apple. I'm super crunchy and packed with vitamins. Eating me keeps your tummy happy and your brain sharp. To make your script even more engaging, try adding fun facts or jokes. For example, did you know that bananas are actually berries but strawberries aren't? Once you're happy with the script, copy it into Google Docs so it's easy to access while working on your video. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring our characters to life with AI-generated voiceovers. To create high-quality voices, you can use tools like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, or Canva's built-in text-to-speech feature. Here's how it works. Copy the dialogue for a character, paste it into 11 Labs or Murph.ai, pick a fun and energetic voice, click Generate, and then download the audio file. Here's a quick tip. Rename your files with something descriptive like sunnyintro.mp3 or annietheapple.mp3 so they're easy to find during editing. Now for the fun part, creating animated characters. To start, open Canva. Choose a YouTube video size canvas, 1920x1080, and search for your character in the Elements quad tab. If you're making a video about fruits, type apple to find suitable images. Once you find a good one, add a cartoon eyes, arms, and legs. to make it look lively. Canva's Animate feature will help add movement, making your characters more engaging. For extra variety, experiment with different expressions or hand gestures to give each character its own personality. Once we have our voiceovers and characters ready, it's time to put everything together in Canva and edit the video. First, upload your characters and voiceovers to Canva. Then, drag and drop each element onto the timeline. To make the characters look like they're speaking, use Adobe Express Animate from Audio to generate a talking mouth effect. If you use green screen elements, Canva's background remover can easily get rid of them. To make the video visually appealing, add fun backgrounds, like a colorful classroom, a playground, or a garden. One way to keep your animation lively is to use Canva's built-in effects, like bounce or pop, so your characters don't look stiff. Before exporting, let's add captions to make the video even more engaging and accessible. Canva now offers an auto captioning feature, which makes it super easy to add subtitles. Just click on the Add Text menu, select Auto Captions, and Canva will automatically generate captions based on your voiceovers. You can adjust the font size, color, and placement to ensure they look great. Now that everything is set, preview your video for any mistakes.
Hey there, little fruit fans! Welcome to the fruit garden, where all our fruity friends love to play. Let's meet them and learn some cool things about fruit. Ready?
Everything looks good. Click Download, select MP4 format, and hit Export. And just like that, you've created an animated kids video from start to finish without needing expensive software. Let's quickly recap what we did. We started by finding viral content ideas that already perform well. Then, we wrote an engaging script in minutes using AI. After that, we generated voiceovers with free AI tools. Next, we designed fun animated characters in Canva. Finally, we edited the video, added captions, and exported it, ready to be uploaded. Now, it's your turn. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below, letting me know what type of videos you'd like to see next. And if you're wondering how to monetize your kids' channel quickly, stay tuned for my next video where I'll break down how to start making money with YouTube automation. Thanks for watching and happy YouTubing.